Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to cook this roasted rosemary potatoes, perfect for breakfast, side dish or snack. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Good morning. I'm going to start today's video by peeling my potatoes. I have these potatoes here. I don't know if they're many. Right here I have a basin of water. I'll put it aside here. I'll be peeling my potatoes and dipping them in. Now that I'm done with the peeling, I'll remove the black spots. So before I rinse them, I'm going to chop them first. I'll now rinse my potatoes as I add them to a bowl here. Okay, so moving on, I already lit my fire. I'll go ahead and add my pot. I'll add my potatoes here. And then I'll add water to slightly cover my potatoes. I'll add salt to taste. So I'll boil these potatoes until they are just a little fork tender. I'll cover them up. Not yet. Okay, let me check on this. The fork is trying to get in. It doesn't penetrate the potato, but now they're just ready. I strained my potatoes and then I added them here to this bowl. These ones were the ones that were below the pot. I feel like they overcooked, but they're just going to work just fine. This is a very creamy potato. It would have been very perfect with mashed potato. See you guys. So for this part of the video, use a heavy pot or a non-stick pan. I'm going to add a little oil around my pot. I have my rosemary leaves here. I'm going to add them in. I'll add my potatoes in one by one. So I'm going to move my pot around like this so I can distribute my oil. Okay, so I'm going to be gentle and flip them several times until you get a golden brown color that you want. These parts that are burning, I will remove them. Okay, so moving on, I prepared green onion here and some coriander. I already washed them. I'll go ahead and chop them up. When I rinsed the same pot, I'm going to add a little oil, just a dash to fry my onions and coriander. I'll add my chopped onions in. I'll now add my potatoes in. So I'll share with you a little trick to make your potatoes presentable. If you're using a silver pot like mine, use a serviette to clean your potatoes one by one to get rid of any burnt potatoes, especially if you're using a creamy potato like mine that breaks. So let's move on to my favorite part, the taste test. They need just a little salt. I love the potatoes, they're well cooked. I can feel the crunchiness in them. So another recipe for you to definitely try. I'm eating with my mouth full again. Another recipe perfect for breakfast or snacking. You can have this as a side dish as well. And thanks for watching again, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.